Hello everyone, my name is Túng. I am in class 1A1. This is my bag. This is my notebook. It's green. This is my book. It's purple. This is my pencil. It's yellow. This is my pair of scissors. It's blue. This is my glue. It's pink. This is my pen. It's red. This is my eraser. It's blue and red. Thank you for helping me. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Ngọc Nhiên. I'm 6 years old. It's in my bag. It's blue. It's in a notebook. It's red. It's eraser. It's blue. It's glue. It's orange. It's pen. It's blue. It's book. It's green. It's scissor. It's purple. It's pencil. It's yellow. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Qua. My 6 years old. This is my bag. It's blue. This is my ruler. It's yellow. This is my pencil. It's orange. This is my book. It's red. This is my pair of scissors. It's green. This is my glue. It's blue. This is my notebook. It's green. This is my pen. It's green. This is my eraser. It's red and blue. This is my pencil case. It's blue. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Amber. I'm 6 years old. It's my bag. It's glue. I 1A4. It's a red book. It's a green pen. It's a blue eraser. It's a blue. It's a blue eraser. Scissor. It's a yellow pencil. It's a green notebook. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Hoàng. I'm 6 years old. This is my bag. It's green, black, purple, blue, and red. It's a glue. It's green. It's a notebook. It's green and red. It's an eraser. It's blue and green. It's a pen. It's blue. It's a book. It's red and blue. It's a pencil. It's purple and black. It's a pair of scissors. It's red, blue, and orange. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. My name is Khánh An. I'm 6 years old. This is my bag. It's pink and blue. This is my notebook. It's blue. This is my pencil. It's yellow. This is my scissors. It's gray. This is my glue. It's pink. This is my notebook. It's green. This is my eraser. It's pink. This is my pen. It's blue. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is An Khôi. In a bag, it's red. In a pen, it's black. It's a book, it's red. It's a blue. It's blue. It's an eraser. It's red. There are scissors. There are glue. It's a pencil. It's blue and yellow. It's a notebook. It's blue. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. My name is Đỗ Yên. I'm 6 years old. It's my bag. Green. It's a red and notebook. It's a glue.
and bang. It's a rule. It's a yellow and always eraser. It's a way and noble. It's a teacher and way. It's a big and yellow in measure. Goodbye everyone.